If you're looking for a peaceful stay near Mumbai that feels like a hidden paradise, trust me, this is the place you have been waiting for. I found a spot that's heavenly, calming, and gives you the perfect escape from chaos. Welcome to Riverstone Agro Farm in Panvel. The very first thing you notice here is the greenery. Everywhere you look, it's trees, plants, flowers. It almost feels like the air itself is fresher. The moment I stepped inside, I could literally feel the stress melting away. It's that peaceful. Now, let me take you to the room because it's so beautiful, spacious, clean, and so aesthetic. It instantly felt cozy. The soft bed with this huge window looking out into nature. Waking up here feels like you're in a different world. But the best part, the washroom, super clean, modern, and then this an open outdoor shower and bathtub. Just imagine taking a warm bath under the open sky surrounded by greenery. It doesn't get more relaxing than that. And yes, the balcony view of the property, absolutely magical. I feel this is like the most beautiful property I have ever stayed in because it's so peaceful. There's no disturbance from anywhere and it just feels so heavenly and fresh because it is surrounded by nature. The whole place is so soothing and there's no disturbance at all. Guys, बहुत ज़्यादा peaceful है ये. I can literally feel the peace here. बहुत प्यारी जगह है. Also, it's sunny today, so it's like amazing because I can shoot and everything. Now I'm going towards like अभी lunch करने जा रहे हैं and I'll show you guys everything. But just look at the beauty around me. It's so good. Even the eating area here is special. There's the small stream running right next to it, and having lunch with the sound of flowing water in the background feels so soothing. The food, simple home cooked meals, healthy, comforting, and honestly so tasty. Nothing fancy, just the kind of food that makes you feel at home. Also, the staff here is very humble and kind, so there is no issue for that. So, you get a really nice experience because of that. Later, we went to this point where you can see the entire property from a height. I could sit there for hours just admiring the view. It's breathtaking. I feel this is like the most peaceful point. Like तुम्हारे stay से just like 5 minutes walking है, but the view is so pretty. मतलब तुम just बैठ सकते हो यहाँ पे and you can just like admire the beauty, the greenery. It feels surreal. It's really very pretty. There's also a lake where you can feed fishes, and that's such a fun activity, especially when you're just trying to slow down and enjoy simple moments. This place is like very pretty. Again, this is like in middle of the property, so it's surrounded by nature, and the greenery here looks so amazing. Plus, there are swings. Yes, there are swings here to just sit, chill, and just soak in the vibes. I mean, this is like the perfect installation over here because it's so much fun. Oh my god, I loved it. And if you walk a little further, you get this unreal view of a waterfall cascading down from the Matheran mountains, nature showing off at its best. It's one of those sights that just stays with you. It's so perfect and so relaxing. Nighttime here is equally beautiful. I took a shower and soaked in the bathtub under the open sky. It was so calming after a long day. Imagine laying back listening to the sounds of nature with cool fresh air around you. It felt like pure therapy. This was honestly the best part. I really loved it. The next morning, I explored more of the property. There's a small pond surrounded by lush greenery, and honestly, walking around here just makes you feel so fresh. They also have their own nursery full of flowers and an agro farm where they grow fresh vegetables. Knowing that the food you eat here comes straight from this land makes the whole experience even more special. And then came breakfast, simple, fresh, and so yummy. There's something about eating farm fresh food while sitting in nature that makes everything taste 10 times better. So overall, Riverstone Agro Farm is not just a stay, it's an experience. From the nature, the rooms, the food to the calming activities, it has everything you need for a peaceful getaway, just a short drive away from Mumbai. So it's basically like only I feel 20 to 25 minutes from Panvel. So it's like very near. So you should definitely visit. If you're someone who's looking to slow down, recharge and reconnect with nature, this place is a must visit. I honestly can't wait for you to experience this for yourself.